So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to download a YouTube video.
First, I'll show you 3 tools, or websites and software, that let you download videos directly to your computer. Second, I'll explain how to download videos using YouTube Premium, the official way. Third, I'll show you how to use screen recording on a Mac as a backup option. And a bonus for it, I'll show you how to download your own videos from YouTube Studio. That way, no matter what you're trying to do, you'll have an option that works. Method 1, download websites and software. This first method is the most flexible because it saves the video directly to your computer. There are 3 tools I recommend. The first one is Snap Downloader. Snap Downloader is software that you install on your computer. You copy the YouTube link, paste it into the app, choose your quality, even up to 4K, and click download. It's clean, simple, and great if you download videos often. Now, if you don't want to install software, the second option is Mobi Downloader. This one works directly in your browser. You copy the YouTube video link, paste it into the website, choose your format, and download. It's quick and easy. Just remember that free sites sometimes show pop-ups. The third option is 4K Video Downloader. This one is also desktop software. You paste the YouTube link, pick your quality, and download straight to your computer. It's reliable and works well for full-length videos. So that's method 1, using download tools to save videos directly to your device. Method 2, YouTube Premium. Now let's move to the official option. If you have YouTube Premium, some videos will have a download button right below the video player. When you click that button, the video downloads inside the YouTube app. This lets you watch it offline, for example, while traveling or when you don't have internet. But here's the important thing, the video stays inside YouTube. You cannot edit it, you cannot move it to your computer, and you cannot re-upload it. It's strictly for personal offline viewing. So this method is simple and completely safe, as long as you're just watching offline.
And by the way, if you like how things are broke down so simply with me, you want to definitely check out the link below on the ebook. I go through so much with the YouTube game.
Method 3, screen recording Mac. Now, if you're using a Mac, there's another easy option. You can use the built-in screen recording tool. Just start recording your screen. Play the YouTube video, and when you're finished, stop the recording. The file will automatically save to your computer. This works well if you just need a quick copy and don't want to install anything extra. Simple and fast. Method 4, download your own videos. Finally, if you want to download your own videos, this is actually the easiest method. Go to YouTube, click your profile icon, open YouTube Studio. Then click Content on the left side, find the video you want, click the 3 dots next to it, and choose Download. Your video will instantly download to your computer. This is perfect for backups or keeping copies of your work.
So now you know how to download a YouTube video. The next video is going to help you so much because I'm going to give you the free sauce 5 AI tools that will help you with your YouTube workflow. What I mean is easy mode. So go ahead and click the next video.